Hello everyone, welcome to the Book Flick YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to discuss the bottom up parser. In our previous video we have discussed the top down parser. In this video we are going to discuss the bottom up parser. Okay, so what a function of bottom up parser is. So let us understand it. Okay, first of all it generates the parse tree for the given input string with the help of grammar production by compressing the non-terminals. So the main point is this compressing. In case of top-down parser, we have written expanding, but in case of this bottom-up parser, we have written compressing the non-terminals. And what does the non-terminal mean is that nothing but the stems or branches of the tree that you generally look. Okay, so first of all, here it is a point that you have to understand that it uses reverse of RMD, rightmost derivation. But in case of top-down parser, it uses the LMD, leftmost derivation. So you must have to remember these 2 points, which is very important in order to understand the differentiation between these two bottom-up and top-down parser. So let us make you understand with few examples. Okay, so first of all, here we are given the examples with a production rule that S derives small a capital B small e, and A can be derived further on capital A small b c, or only capital, oh sorry, it is a small b, which is nothing but a terminal, and capital B must be derived into small d. So as far as you have concerned, if you have watched the previous video, we have taken the same example as of before, so that you can understand the differentiation between the top down parser and bottom up parser. So the input string is also given. Okay, a b b c d e, which is nothing but same as before. Okay, let us move on to its solution. So first of all, we have to take care of the point is that we have to use the reverse of RMD. Now what is RMD, rightmost derivation, what is LMD, leftmost derivation, has already been discussed in our previous video lectures. If you have not understood that, then you can go through these videos, or else you can continue with this video, you will understand it. Okay, no problem about that. Let us move on to the solution. First of all, we are writing the production rules of grammar that is given to us. Now the input string is a b b c d e. So let us move on to the solution. So first of all, we have to take care of the point is that we have to use the reverse of RMD, that is the rightmost derivation. So first of all, we have to use the reverse. So first of all, we have to write the input string. What we generally do is that we generally do the start symbol and start going to leaf node, but in this case we have to use the reverse of RMD, that is we have to take the leaf node and we have to go from leaf node to its root node. Then only we can solve the bottom up parser. Now we have to take care of the string that is given to us. So this is the input string that is given to us, a b b c d e. So in this a b b c d e, can we minimize this small b into capital A? Yes, because here is the production rule that small b can be derived, can be minimized into this capital A. So this is the compression technique. Okay, this is nothing but the compression technique. So we are just compressing this small b into capital A. Now what we are left with, this small a, capital A, small b, small c, small d, small e. We are left with these all things. Okay, now can we use these capital A is, sorry, here it is capital A, small b, c. Can we use these to derive, to compress it into only A? Yes, we can, by the production rule of number 2. Here it is that capital A, small b, c can be compressed into single capital A. So we have done, here it is capital A, small b, c has been derived into capital A only. Now we are left with small a here, capital A at the top, and D and E. So what we are left with? We are left with D and E. So can we we use this D to compress into capital B? Yes, by this third rule of grammar, that is, this D can be can be compressed into capital B. So what we are left with now? We are left with small a, capital B, and small e. So now you have to watch which rules of grammar in these we can use to compress it into a single word. That is the first rule of grammar, that is small a, capital B, small e. We can use this to use these four terminals and non-terminals to compress it into a single start symbol. So this is how we have reached the root node of the tree. So this is how we have done the bottom up parser as well. So let us move on to the main decision. The main decision is when to reduce the given value. This is the main point you have to consider it. Now in this video we have discussed the bottom up parser and with one examples. In our upcoming videos, we will be discussing how to check the grammar is ambiguous or not. Till then, keep on learning, keep on earning. Thank you very much for watching.